We are about to learn about the various water bodies. So first of all, we will be studying about the oceans, which are the largest water bodies on the surface of the earth. Now, under the topic oceans, we will be learning about all the oceans, its importance and its characteristics. Okay, so let us start on with oceans. Now, children, if we see the surface of the earth, how much surface of the earth is occupied by the ocean? It is 74%. 74% of the earth's surface, it is full of oceans. Okay, and the ocean and 97% of the earth's water is in the ocean. Okay, so that makes the ocean the largest water body on the surface of the earth. Okay, it occupies 74% of the earth's surface, and about 97% of the earth's water is in oceans. Now, on the surface of the earth, how many oceans are we having? We are having 5 oceans. Which are the 5 oceans? They are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. So we are having these many oceans. Now let us see what is one of the unique feature of the ocean. The unique feature of the ocean is that the ocean water is never static. Static means stable. It is never stable, but it is continuously in motion. It means there is always a movement in the water of the oceans. This is one of the unique feature of the ocean. It means that the water is never stable, but it's always in movement. Okay. Now, let us see two important characteristics of oceans. Okay. One is what? All the oceans of the world, they are linked with each other. Linked means connected with each other. And the second important characteristic is that all the oceans, they are having salty water in it. Okay. So the second is what? Presence of salty water. So again, I am repeating which are the two major characteristics. First is that all the oceans of the world are linked with each other, and the second is the presence of salty water. But you see, children, in the very beginning, okay, or in the ancient period, the seas, they were not very much salty. They were only slightly salty. But what happened as the time went on, the rain, it fell on the surface of the earth, and it also ran on the land also. It broke the rocks and all, and then slowly what happened, the rainwater started transporting the minerals which were in the rocks and the surface of the earth into the ocean. And along with the minerals, like the ocean water became saltier and saltier day by day. So in the very beginning, the sea water or the ocean water was not very salty. But when the rain fell on the surface of the earth and it washed away the minerals and all, so the minerals, they were mixed with the rainwater, and in this way they were carried to the oceans and the sea. Then children, rain also, it also fills the rivers and the stream with the fresh water. And that is the reason the water in the river and the streams, they don't taste much saltier. They are not salty. Okay. So, children, the thing is that the rivers and the streams, they are having which water? Fresh water. And the water is also not salty. But the water in the ocean is salty because the rivers, they bring the salts and minerals into the ocean, making the ocean water saltier day by day. According to an estimate, every year or annually, the rivers, they bring 4 billion tons of dissolved salts in the ocean. Okay, the rivers, they bring around 4 billion tons of dissolved salts into the ocean annually. Okay.